Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then you can swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible right over here. Once you see this toggle, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize all the options that you have for the Do Not Disturb mode. So go over these, tweak them to fit your needs. Once you have done so, you can close this. Now before I do so, I'm going to quickly mention that for people that want to also set it up manually, you can do this right here, or manually as an automated schedule, meaning you can do that right over here. And if you're planning to use any schedule, you just toggle it on from here like so. But for everyone else who wants to do this manually, just once everything is set, find a toggle, simply tap on it, and that's it. Once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background, and you can do so just by tapping on a toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.